It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. Let's start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, auto express windows, the child lock button, a programmable memory seat, and the power liftgate. This Terrain Denali comes with the premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both the headrests, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We can change that camera view by pushing the buttons located on the bottom of the screen. We've also got dual climate control with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. Here we have park assist, self-park, heated and cooled front leather seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, off-road mode, and trailer mode. And here we have the wireless charging pocket. Simply place your phone in the pocket and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is the front camera. We've got fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the rear, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power liftgate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, we've got the liners, cargo hooks. We've got the levers to fold that second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, power windows and a storage compartment. On the backs of both front seats, we've got some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got the rear fans, heated rear seats, 2 USB plug-ins, and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold these rear seats down with ease by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.